she's like, man, this girl she's going through so much and yet is just still being so successful. And I'm like, you're just a big inspiration, to me, and it's just the way it's always been. And
thank you.
Just watched you ever since Pennsylvania. Watched you guys when I first, I used to watch you with your clients, like I said, and just kind of listen because of my supersonic hearing. I could sit at the curb and listen. You didn't even know I was there. You were just so focused.
No idea.
You'd always take them into their backyards and sit them. I remember this one time you were sitting at this you're at a red, it was like a picnic table in the back of your yard, and I think Trent was off with the man, but you were dead straight looking in the eye with the woman and just gave her the whole spiel. And, by the time you were gone, you guys ended up walking out there probably with $3,000 in your pocket when it was all said and done. And I was like, geez, you did that in 20 minutes? That's the best $3,000 I've ever, legally.
I got it dialed. Yeah.
Yeah, you were just, you were definitely, as you say, turning and burning.
Well, I was hustling back then. I was like, all business, no party, just getting shit done.
After you guys made it through all that Wolf Town or whatever,
yeah.
My ass is cleaned up. I got 36 in a month.
Yeah.
I had 36 leftovers.
Right. 36 of the whole town.
I couldn't believe it.
That's so
That's when I realized you can do this anywhere. It doesn't matter what time the storm hit.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, exactly. There's always opportunity. I have to talk to people about that all the time. They're like, well, I had a guy recently, talked to him on the phone, and he's like, well, the storm is just old already, and I just don't know if this is a good time to buy the program. And I'm like, when did the storm happen? And he's like 8 weeks ago. And I'm like, what? Idiot. I'm like, it's old. The first storm I worked, I didn't show up for 2 months. I didn't show up for 2 months. I was getting married that year. That didn't work out, but it's okay. And, so it's just crazy people's mindset. You just have to teach them, there's always opportunity, even if it's December. Unless you're in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and there's 1.5 foot of snow on the roof.
Get your butt out there.
Exactly. Get your butt out there, and if you just know what to say, that's the thing, is most people don't have a good, they're not trained to do, what to say at the door and how to handle the objections, blah, blah, blah. And so that's where, giving people those word-for-word scripts changes everything. Because I'm like, just do this, I promise. Just get your opinions that are misguided out of your head, it's too late, or people just don't want us, or whatever. Get that out of your head and just do this, and I promise you will make a shitload of money.
Yep.
Trust me.
We're in month 4 right now, and we're still hammering out 6 contracts minimum a week.
Yeah, if you're a salesperson and you're just making 2 deals a week, 1 deal a week, you're making $1,500 a week, and that's in the slow season. If you're doing nothing, you can do it, So, but that's cool. I love hearing that you guys are using everything in the programs, and it's working out and giving you a good return. That just tickles me pink. I love it.
That's got to be so good to be able to. Okay, so most people don't love their job, right? Across the board.
Yeah.
I'd say it's probably 80% of the people don't actually love what they do. They do it for their family.
Right. It's a paycheck.
Yeah, but I really feel like the things you're doing and the passion you put into it, and just by watching your videos and your YouTubes, and I see a true person who is, and I know you had mentioned that there were some things were rough with the family, but let's be honest, everybody's family's a little crazy.
Yeah.
And but I really feel like you have, when you do your job, you're not doing it out of necessity to survive. You're doing it for the reasons you just stated, because it tickles you pink, and it allows other people to be successful, which in turn gives you pleasure.
Absolutely. I love it.
It's hard to find a job like that in this world, and you really have found it. But it's, I'm just kind of watching on as you guys I'm just, one of these days you're just going to be that person on, like on the Oprah Winfrey show, which is, I know it's no longer in session, but you're going to be that person that's like, the next, what was she, eBay lady, CEO of eBay. Well, it's going to be a whole different marketing world.
I mean,
so I really think it's coming. I know I'm not sure if you believe it yet, but I see it happening, and it is on its way.
Thank you for
2
saying
years.
that.
I'm giving you 2 years. Not this coming year. This coming up, 2018. I think you're going to finish strong, and then 2019 I think is when you're going to explode. Like the YouTube is going to just shit's going to hit the fan for you. It's going to be crazy, and
I hope so.
And then the offers are going to come in. It's going to be somebody's going to be like, oh, come to this roofing conference and give your spiel. Here's $10,000,
Yeah.
And you can market your product. And then everybody, once you get seen by a group of 1,000 people, in Vegas at a roofing conference,
yeah,
and you're one of the lead speakers, your website's going to probably explode, and the servers are going to go down, and you're going to be like, oh my God.
Oh no! Please don't let that happen. Come on, internet gods, just keep it together. Keep it together, WordPress. Oh man.
Yeah, people are, because they have watched, they have learned, they have seen I like how you do your quick details of what's in your program on YouTube, where you give them just a taste.
Yeah.
Of the magic. It's like sprinkling pixie dust on them, and then they come to Never Neverland.
Right.
So you're like just sprinkling this dust everywhere, and eventually, people are going to be, they're going to be after you. I already see it. I'm usually pretty good at I've picked a couple people out who've become successful, and
yeah.
Unfortunately, I don't have your looks. I probably have your brain power.
Yeah.
But I don't look like you.
I mean, you have way bigger muscles than me, though. Let's be honest. You've got that. You definitely have bigger pecs than me.